Hey, Double D. Question. Who opened that door for you?
Tommy.
Interesting. Very interesting. But can you do me one favor right now? Can you give me that gun?
No.
Come on, Double D. Let's not do this. I'm just gonna walk towards you and I'm gonna slowly grab it. Easy. Just take it easy. Oh! Chicken soup!
We couldn't find him.
Yeah, he's downstairs in the arsenal room. He barricaded himself like an Alabama tick, man.
What do we do?
Well, we don't have many choices. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in my office, I'm gonna disable the alarm. That should allow me access through the window in that arsenal room, okay? And you guys cause a distraction, okay? Then we snatch him.
Let's go get some Swiss and try to bribe him. Okay.
Alright. Let's start this up.
We have a Kinder Egg for you. No.
Alright. Let's punch in the code and disable the armory security and gain access to the window.